So Tesla just came out with their stock split. It has already been aforementioned, okay, about 2 months ago, where Tesla actually talked about a stock split alongside with Amazon and Google. Of course, Amazon have just recently done with their 20 to 1 split, and Google is going to be going on with their 20 to 1 split in the next month. Okay, so a lot of people were actually having chattering, talking about what Tesla will be doing for their split. Would it be a 20 to 1 split, a 10 to 1 split, a 5 to 1 split, which they have always done, or whatever it is? So right now, we just got news that Tesla is going to be doing a 3-for-1 stock split, joining other big tech companies. And what this actually means, okay? So first of all, we have to talk about the first of all, which is at 20 to 1. People are talking about how Tesla will be doing a 20 to 1. I don't think it will be a 20 to 1. Personally, I thought it would be a 10 to 1. Okay, and the reasons are very simple. Because if you want to put Tesla at the same level as all the other big tech companies being your Apple, your Facebook, your Amazon, your Alphabet, after the split, all of them are going to be around $100 or so. So at that time, when Tesla was about $1,000, a 10 to 1 split would essentially bring Tesla down to about $100 or so, which would make the most sense for Tesla to be, to be among all the other big techs, for them to stay around that price. But that's not to be the case, because Tesla planning for a 3 to 1 stock split. And also, okay, if you actually take into consideration, right now Tesla is at $700 in the aftermarket on Friday. Tesla is at $710. So if we do a 3 to 1 split, we are looking at Tesla actually going down to about $200 or $300 or so. Well, 250-ish. Okay, so pretty good. Nevertheless, I think it will be about 240, 230, 240. So I do think that after this split comes in, okay, on Monday we'll most likely see Tesla actually go up all the way to $780. I would assume at least to $780 or even $800. Okay, that's what happened with a lot of stock splits. Similar to what happened with Amazon after they had the 20 to 1 stock split. Amazon actually went quite high, but afterwards they just get a lot of retracement back down to its lows again. Okay, so I do think that, if you're interested in Tesla in the long run, don't be too excited just yet. Okay, there's a good chance that in the pre-market on Monday, when the market actually opened, there's going to be a lot of buying pressure into Tesla. We all are expecting that, okay? But, okay, on top of just the whole buying pressure coming into Tesla, what we have to actually take into consideration is that what will happen after the split, okay? So I don't think Tesla is going to keep on staying that high because it's going to be the same with Amazon. Well, it has been the same for Amazon, and it is most likely going to be the same for Alphabet as well. Again, of course, Tesla is planning for this 3 to 1 stock split. It is not going to be happening immediately on Monday either. Okay, so over here you can see that Tesla in March said that it will seek shareholder approval for a stock split at the gathering. But the time did not provide any details. So yeah, right now they say that in the disclosure, you will ask shareholder to approve the company issuing 4 billion more common shares, which is your Class A. Oh no, your Class B. Tesla is currently authorized to issue 2 billion shares of common stock as of March 31st. The company had around 1.04 billion common shares outstanding. The share closed at 6. This is a great number. Okay, this is a fantastic number. Tesla share closed down Friday at $696.69. Shares have fallen more than 40% since the November high, and the stock rose around 1% in the after hours following the disclosure. So, of course, I do think that this disclosure, most likely we're expecting even more of a buying pressure after this 3-for-1 stock split. Of course, what this actually entails for the stock. Again, for people who are unaware of what a stock split actually does, okay, it simply just breaks up the stock into smaller shares for people to have a lower cost of entry. And of course, the second thing that a lot of people will be more interested in would be options buying, because if the lower the cost of entry for it, it means that options will be a lot easier for you to actually get into and also sell. Okay, so for people who have a lot of Tesla shares, this is also the best time for you to start playing some options on those Tesla shares that you actually have. And of course, if you're interested in Tesla in the long run, you can also get some Tesla on the way up. But yeah, of course, currently in this current market, nothing is for sure. And even the Dow Jones is down 10 out of 11 weeks. So if you're asking me if Tesla is a good buy now, I cannot give you any answer. Okay, of course, again, on this channel, no financial advice is actually given. But I would say that, if you're really interested in getting a Tesla position, just wait it out a little bit. There are two possible areas that you can look into to get into Tesla. Okay, the first one will most likely be the first retracement after Monday and Tuesday, where you finally see a huge increase in price. And then that's when you can actually, and then when you have a huge increase in price, people are going to be shorting it. Okay, that's how people do arbitrage trading and such. And the price will go back down. When the price go back down, that's where you can most likely find a slot to actually get back in. The second time will most likely be when the stock actually split. Okay, when the stock actually split on the day itself, of course, same thing. The price will go back all the way up, and people will also get into the arbitrage trading again, and people will want to short Tesla as well, and then it would also be the time for you to actually get back in. So most likely these are the two possible times that you can kind of time your entry into the stock. But of course, like I said before, I don't think timing the market is always the best way forward, especially for investors like you and I. Okay, we do not have that much money, and we are not professionals. We are not mind readers. We are not psychic. Okay, so just don't think too much about timing the market. Just buy into a stock that you're interested in the long term and just invest. Anyway, that's all I have for this Tesla 3-to-1 stock split. I'm very, very excited for this. So yeah, anyway, that's all for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.